Hello everyone, welcome to QuantSap. Myself Vignesh. First of all, thanks everyone for joining me in this video. So as you might have seen in the thumbnail, today's topic is about swing trading. So we will be using one of the proprietary tool of QuantSap, that is price OI percentile, and we will check out how we can capture a decent swing using this tool. Okay, so first of all, before getting into this video, if you are new to QuantSap and if you haven't installed the application yet, kindly install the application at the earliest. I have given the link for installing the application in the description below. So as soon as you install this application, you can unlock the benefits of 25 free tools immediately. Apart from that, as you know, QuantSap has approximately 70 to 80 tools, out of which 25 tools are free of cost, but there are n number of, you can say, paid tools. There are some proprietary tools like RPG, order book data. So if you want to explore them, you can definitely go and check out in the video library. The link for video library I have mentioned in the description. Or else if you have installed the application, just go to learn section, go to video library. Here you can check out all the videos, and that too we have recorded these videos in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Marathi and Tamil. So you can choose the language as per your convenience and you can definitely explore these videos. And while exploring the videos, if you have any query, you can always feel free to contact us on the helpline number mentioned above. Okay, so let's start with today's topic. Today's topic is about price OI percentile, like how we can gauge a proper swing trade using this tool. Okay, so before getting into this, let me explain you the concept. Okay, so what is price OI percentile? Okay, so most of you might be knowing what is percentile as such, because in most of the, you can say, competitive exams like CAT, CET, this is the marking system which is usually used. Okay, so let me write it down, price percentile. Okay, so say for example, if you are giving a CET exam or CAT exam, the cutoff is usually marked, we can say, based on the highest. Okay, say for example, if there is a class of say 100 students. Okay, say 100 students are there in the class. Okay, out of these 100 students, say one student has scored 90 marks. Okay, rest all other students are below him. Okay, so let's say he is the first. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll mark him, or else you can say I'll give him 99 percentile, not percentage. Okay, so the percentile of all other students will be based on this. So this will be the kind of, you can say, a cutoff. Okay, so and the one who scored the least is say 35. 35 is the least mark that is scored by a student. Okay, now here I will give it as 1 percentile. Okay, so rest 98 students are ranked between 90 and 35, you can say. Okay, so this is a kind of concept which we will be using in stock market. Okay, now how we will be using, let us go and check. Okay, give me a second. So let's say, for example, let us assume any stock. Okay, let's say for example HDFC Bank. Okay, so let us assume that we are considering the data of past 180 trading days. Okay, so let's say HDFC Bank, give me a second. HDFC Bank moved up, it came down, okay, and then it's in a consolidation phase. So when I'm looking at the past 180 days trading data, so this is the highest level, say whatever is the price. Okay, say for example 1700. Okay, this is the recent high of the past 180 trading days, and now the price is consolidating at this level. Now say for example, immediately this has spiked up. Okay, so as we discussed, the highest will be marked as 99 percentile, correct? So let's say this is 99 percentile. Now when the stock again approached its previous swing high, or say it is trading somewhere near to its previous swing high, the percentile will be somewhere close to 99. It can be either 90, 91, 92, whatever. Okay, so let's say consider this as 91. Okay, for example. Now What does this mean? Okay, say for example, if the price percentile, or say for example, let's look at it from the exam context. Okay, so let's say this is 91 percentile. Okay, so this student has scored 91 percentile. This is the highest student which has scored 99 percentile. Now, this student is somewhere close to him. Okay, let's say in the next exam, if he puts in a slight effort, he can easily surpass the student. There is a very good possibility, correct? So say for example, if the stock has approached and the stock has hit a recent high, now the stock is very much close to its previous swing high. There is a possibility, there is a good chance that it can break out anytime. Now, who will give you the confirmation whether breakout is going to happen or not? Okay, say whenever the price percentile is above 90, okay, the highest is marked as 99. Okay, so whenever the price percentile is above 90, it is an indication that it is somewhere close to its previous swing high. Okay, now there are two possibilities. The stock might either retrace from its previous swing high, or there is a possibility that the stock might break out its previous swing high and it can give a decent swing on the upside. Now, what is going to happen? Whether it is going to retrace from the higher levels or it is going to break out. Okay, so for that what we need is open interest. Okay, open interest we need, correct? Now, say for example, if the open interest is also above 90, that is price is above 90, price percentile we can say is above 90, and if the open interest is also above 90, that means more and more participation is happening. Say for example, if the price is somewhere trading near its previous high, say for example, the price is moving but there is no participation as such, then there is a possibility that there might be a fake out instead of a breakout. There is a possibility that the stock might move up and again it can retrace immediately. But when the stock moves up along with the participation, we can expect a sustained breakout, or say for example, we can expect a decent swing as such. Okay, so what we need is, we need price percentile above 90 as well as we need OI percentile above 90. When price and OI both starts moving, we can expect a decent breakout, you can say. Okay, so there are two conditions which I would like to write it down. So it is important that you can take a note of it. Give me a second. Okay, so let me explain the two conditions. Conditions for trading price OI percentile. Okay, so for bullish, if the price percentile is above 90 and OI percentile, that is participation, is also above 90, that means we can expect a sustained breakout, or say we can expect a decent swing on the upside, because price is somewhere close to its previous high, and along with it I can also see that there is a good participation. Okay, so whenever you are expecting a breakout, make sure that there is enough participation to push the price. Okay, when participation is not there, simply the price is moving, we can expect that anytime there is a possibility that the price might retrace. Okay, now say for example bearish, if you are finding a bearish trend, now what we saw, the student which has scored the lowest mark, we will mark it as 1 percentile. That is, if the stock has made a recent swing low of the past 180 trading days data, if you're seeing, the recent swing low is marked as 1 percentile. Now, whenever the stock is somewhere near to its previous swing low, that means the percentile will be somewhere close to 1 or say 10 or 15 or whatever. Okay. Now, at that point in time, you can go and plan a short trade. Correct. Now, if you are planning a short trade, what you need? You need the price to go down, but along with that, the participation should be intact. Be it a bullish trade or a bearish trade, the participation is must for the price to move. So, price percentile, you can take it as say for example, if the price percentile is below 20 or 10, both are accepted, but if you are a beginner, I would suggest you to go with 10. But sometimes when it is in case of bearish conditions, even 20 works well. Say for example, if the price is below 20 and say OI percentile should be above 90. Okay, there is no compromise in case of participation, be it bullish trade or bearish trade. The participation is must. If you want to take the price higher and high, still participation is required. If you want to push the price on the downside, still participation is needed. Correct? So any one person as such cannot move the price. Correct? So for bullish trade, your price percentile should be above 90, your OI percentile should be above 90. And when you are talking about a bearish trade, the price percentile should be either below 20 or below 10, that is subjective, okay, and OI percentile should always be above 90. So this is a, you can say, a condition for a bullish or a bearish trade, how we are going to find the trade. Now let me get into the home page of QuantSap. Okay, so this is the home page of QuantSap. So let me give you a brief introduction about the home page. If you see on the right hand side top, you can check out the major indices are there. Okay, like Nifty, Nifty and Banknifty. You can also check out the built up, like for Nifty the narration is long, and you can say for Nifty it is short, for Banknifty also it is short. Okay, and also along with it you can check out the price change and OI percentage. Now if you see over here, there is n number of fancy indicators like option chain, unusual option activity, open interest. So there are n number of things which you can definitely go and explore. So as I said, kindly get click on the link and install the application, and at least try to get the benefit of 25 free tools which are readily available. Okay, now let me get into analyze, and if you see in the last column there is price OI percentile. Okay, so first let me explain you the interface. Can you see the search option over here? So if you want to check out the price percentile or OI percentile of any specific counter, you can go to the search symbol and you can check that specific stock. The look back period is by default 180 days. If you want to tweak it, you can tweak it to your convenience. Okay, but if you try to reduce the look back period, definitely you will be getting more and more trades, but the quality of trade is one such thing which is very important. Correct? So what we have done is we have back tested and we have kept it as 180, but if you want to tweak it, as I said, you can also change it to say 90, 30, 60 based on your convenience and your hunger for the trade. Okay, now if you see, there is an overall you can say a bird's eye view you can get from here. Now the price percentile greater than 80, how many stocks are there wherein the price percentile is greater than 80? So out of 185 to 190 FNO scripts, 111 stocks are, you can say, trading above 80 percentile, and less than 20 percentile you can see 6. So similarly for OI also it is given. Okay, now if you see, there are two bars under each and every stock. So one is indicating price percentile and another one is indicating OI percentile. Now what I'll do is simply go to the symbols and we are going to sort it out through price percentile. Okay, so what was the condition for a bullish trade? The condition for bullish trade was, I want price percentile above 90 and also I wanted OI percentile above 90. Correct? Now here if you see, there is Alchem and Bharti Airtel, Cipla and Infosys. You can see Indigo, you can see IEX, you can check out. Okay, so as of now there are 4 to 5 stocks I can see. Okay, so now let's go with Indian Energy Exchange, that is IEX. Now the price is above 99 and also the OI is above 99. Now my question to you is, are we going to straight away jump and take a trade in IEX? The answer is obviously no, because currently I can see the price percentile is above 99 and OI is also above 99. But I don't know when this situation occurred, like today it happened, day before yesterday, or say 10 days back, I don't know. So the condition is you need to sit on the right counter at the right time. Correct? So let me go and check out when the condition for bullish trade triggered, on which date it got triggered. That is very important. Okay, so let me go to symbol wise option and let me search IEX over here. IEX. Now if you see, check, on 28th August. If you can see, so today is 28th August, correct? So today post market, okay, currently the market is going on. So later on around 6:30 we receive the bhav copy, correct? So post market we are supposed to check this, and I think this is going to stay intact. So if you see on 28th August, IEX, the price percentile and OI percentile both triggered the condition, okay? Both exactly triggered the condition, you can say, on 28th of August. Okay, now some people might be saying that even on 22nd August both got triggered, correct? So yes, definitely I agree, on 22nd August also it got triggered. Now we will check out the condition, how to put a stop loss and how to put a target as well. Okay, so say on 28th August, that is today, this got triggered in IEX. Okay, now how you are supposed to take a trade? Say for example, post 6:30, say around 7 p.m. if you are checking, and if this stays intact, like price and OI both are above 90, you can definitely go and plan a bullish trade on the next day. Not today itself, you are going to plan a bullish trade on the next day. Okay, now how to plan a trade? Say for example, if you are bullish, then you can go with strategies. Now what kind of strategies are we supposed to deploy? We will definitely go and check that as well. Now how to put a stop loss? Say for example, if the price or OI, any one component drops down below 80. Okay, so in this case if you see, OI dropped. Okay, so whenever the price or OI, any one component drops below 80, you can consider it as a stop loss. Or else if you are good with technicals, if you are well versed with technicals, and if you are taking a positional trade, say for example, any swing low below say at 1 hour time frame. Let us go and check out Indian Energy Exchange, IEX. Let me go and plot a daily or 1 hour chart, because as we are seeing this is a positional trading tool, so you are supposed to check this at the end of the day. Okay, so I have plotted daily time frame chart of IEX. Now if you see on daily time frame, I can see an immediate swing low of say 186. Let us go and check out in 1 hour time frame as well. Okay, so here if you see, the recent swing low is somewhere, I would say, around 193. Okay, so this will be an ideal stop loss as such, you can say. If you are following technicals, you can keep 193 or say 186 as per your risk appetite, but I would prefer to go with a swing low of this. Okay, approximately you can say 190, 91, you can keep it as a stop loss. Okay, so you can keep this as a stop loss, or else if you are following data, if any one component drops below you can say 80, you can definitely go and exit your positions. Now how to take a trade on IEX, or say whatever stock which gets triggered as per price percentile, how you are supposed to go and take a trade? Okay, let us check that. If you are say near to the expiry, or say if you are far to the expiry. Now as of now, today is 28th, so I won't be taking any positions for tomorrow, correct? So definitely we will be targeting September, correct? That is September month's expiry we will be targeting, correct? Now say there are more than 15 days left for the expiry, more than 15 days left for expiry. Here if you see, there are less than 15 days left. More than 15 days left or less than 15 days left. So whenever for expiry there are more than 15 days left, what you can do is you can go with debit spreads. And whenever less than 15 days are left, you can go with credit strategies. So what is debit spreads and what is credit spreads, I have covered in the previous video, so you can definitely go and check out those videos. Okay, so you can get an in-depth idea of what is debit spreads and what is credit spreads. I won't be explaining what is debit and what is credit again, but what about debit spreads is, you can say for example, if you're long, you can go with bull call spread, and if you are bearish, you can go with a bear put. Similarly, in credit strategies, you can go with, if you are bullish, you can go with bull put spread. If you are bearish, you can go with a bear call. Okay, so what is the benefit as such if you ask me? If say for example there are more than 15 days left, then delta is in your favor, theta is in your favor. Like theta, how it gets decayed. Say for example, this is how theta gets decayed. Okay, so usually it remains sideways, but whenever you are near to expiry, theta starts decaying very in a fast manner as such, you can say. So say if you are more than 15 days for expiry, you are technically at this level, you are not at this level. So in this case, if you see, theta won't decay in a much faster pace as such. But when you are trading, say for example, less than 15 days expiry is left for you, then at that point in time, it is always preferred that you go with credit strategies, because in credit strategies we receive more premium, and in case of debit strategies, what we do is we pay more premium to the market. So the theta risk is, you can say, balanced when you go with debit and credit strategies based on the number of days left for expiry. Okay, so theta is one such thing, and I have also uploaded a detailed video on how you can say Vega helps you and how delta is in your favor when there is more than 15 days left for the expiry. You can definitely go and check out those videos as well. Okay, so we checked like for IEX. Now if you want, we can go and backtest any of the stocks. Like say for example, we found n number of stocks. Let us go and check. Okay, now here if you see, there is Alchem. The price percentile and OI is above 90. Correct? Now let me go and check out for Alchem. Let me plot Alchem. Okay, so let me check when price and OI both hit 90. Now if you see, price and OI both cross 90 at 5,538, that is on 7th of August. If you see in Alchem on 7th of August, the trade got triggered at 5538. Now from there, if you see, immediately next day we got a 150 point move, and from there on, if you see, currently the stock is trading at 5800, 5900. So we can say approximately 400 to 500 points move, but you could have achieved a decent swing in the next 2 days. That is approximately 300 points move I got in just 2 days based on price OI percentile. Okay, so I hope you might have liked this video. I hope how to use this price OI percentile is very much clear to you. Okay, so if you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. So stay tuned. We'll get back to you soon in the next video. Thanks everyone.